What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video I want to show you around my 2007 Subaru Impreza 2.5i wagon. As you can see back there, it's a wagon. This car I bought from Copart. It's been in a very minor accident. I'll show you what the damage was before. So somebody hit the bumper right here. You see the new one, it's not lined up quite well, so I need to hammer that just a little bit in for the bumper to be flush with the body. This was a very inexpensive fix. It broke the tail light too, so the bumper was $75 from a junkyard and the tail light was like $30 online. The tail lights usually go for like 85 bucks on eBay, but the company had this last one and they just wanted to get rid of it. So that's the only damage was done. Everything is straight underneath. Maybe you can see here, everything is just straight and perfect. It's a really nice car, 100,000 miles. So all the fix was around 100 bucks, which is really nice. No mechanical issues. In great condition. The front end looks just nice. The paint, it's that pure white, which reflects in the sun. It's really nice, in really good shape. Only 100,000 miles and the tires are in good shape. I consider this car really a nice purchase because it's an overall, it's all-wheel drive. These Subarus are known to be super fun and super reliable. So again, the front end, if you can see in the paint, it kind of have like that metallic. Okay, the interior, really nice. It has the keyless entry, as you can see. 100,000 miles. It came with a sound system, but the previous owner took all the speakers, just left the radio right here. Really nice. Okay, let's pop the hood. That buzzer is killing me. The notorious 2.5. These cars have problems with timing belts breaking around 90 to 120,000 miles. I looked at mine. This one was probably replaced 30 or 40,000 miles ago. I'm not sure. All the recalls were done on this car, so it probably was very well taken care of. Even the oil is not dirty. So new battery was put in at Copart. I didn't have to jump it, and this is a first for me. Usually cars at Copart usually need a jump. I really like the rack, and the cargo space is insane. I have all the trim and all the stuff right here, but I mean, look at the cargo space. When you flip the seat, you have a truck right there. See, look at the back. It looks okay. I'm gonna repaint the bumper after the inspection. I just slapped it on just to get the car inspected and done. Rims are nice. Back space is not bad. You have plenty of leg room here. And yeah, this is the 2007 Subaru Impreza. I really like it. I'm gonna get it insured and commute on it. It's in a very good shape mechanically, and the AC is fantastic. Alright, this is my 2007 Impreza Wagon 2.5i. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.